Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this video I'll show you step by step how to clear system data on iPhone. If you enjoyed this content, make sure to like, subscribe, and let's get started. So first, tap on settings and then scroll down until find Safari. Then tap on Safari and scroll down and tap clear history and website data. Then tap add history and tap clear history. So this is the first step. The second step, come back to settings and go to general, tap on general, then scroll down and tap iPhone storage and then enable this, tap on enable, and that's it. You can save up of 3 GB and then tap size and tap here size, and here you can remove any unnecessary application. For example, if you don't use any application, you can remove it easily. For example, if I don't use PixArt, you can tap on it and tap delete app and delete this application. So that will help you to save some storage on your iPhone. And then come back and go to software update and tap automatic updates. Tap on it and toggle this on. And come back, then close settings, and the last step, restart your iPhone. Press the power button and the up volume button at the same time, like this. Then slide to power off, and now turn your iPhone again, press and hold the power button, and unlock your iPhone, write your passcode, and that's it, how you can clear system data. Thank you so much for watching me. If you found this video helpful, please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and see you to the next video.